Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TikTok Shop to Shopify for order automation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect TikTok Shop to Shopify for order automation, start by logging into your Shopify account. Go to the Shopify App Store. Search for the TikTok app. Click on the TikTok app in the search results. Select Add App to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install the app on your Shopify store. Once installed, open the TikTok app from your Shopify dashboard. Create or log into your TikTok for Business account. Connect your TikTok account to Shopify by following the on-screen instructions. Next, enable the TikTok Shop feature in the app settings. Set up your TikTok Shop by adding product details directly from Shopify. Customize your shop layout and add relevant information for your customers. Ensure your payment methods are correctly configured in Shopify. Once your products are set, go to the order settings in your TikTok app. Enable order automation to streamline your order fulfillment process. Adjust any additional settings based on your business needs. Save your settings and sync your products. Verify that the TikTok Shop interface reflects the products from your Shopify store. Test a sample order to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check your Shopify dashboard for the received order details. Monitor your TikTok Shop for any new orders as they come in. Your TikTok Shop is now connected to Shopify, and order automation is enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.